Okay, so D over C is the inverse of C over D. So here, for this still division I have here, to divide one fraction by another, we multiply the dividend by the inverse of the divisor. So here in any division, uh, the number that's being divided is called the dividend, which is A over B, and C over D is here is our divisor. So you multiply by the inverse of the divisor. Okay, you multiply the dividend by the inverse of the divisor, and that's what you're doing here. And that's the solution. That's how you divide two fractions. What you do is you turn that other fraction upside down, and you then multiply the fractions, and you use what you know about how this will come together. Then that comes together as A over D, or AD over BC. Okay. See, that becomes AD over BC, following from this form. And that's how you divide. Okay. Now this here is also equal to A divided by B over C divided by D. See, because a fraction can be written horizontally as well as vertically. So this here we put AB because we're dividing. Here's our dividing bar. You get A over B over CD. Okay. Here, now this becomes A, and this B drops down. Now the B is going to drop down here. Now that's going to become BC divided by D. Okay, A over BC divided by D. See, because that B comes down under the dividing bar, but it goes next to C. Okay? Now D can be placed, it's being divided. So excuse me, D is a divisor of a divisor. So it goes in the numerator's position on the top of what it is dividing. And you're going to end up with AD over BC. See? Now this can also be written vertically as well. See, when you have a denominator of a denominator, you put that up here, okay? So here, for the division of two fractions, I'm going to show you with 2/3 divided by 4/5. Okay. 2/3 divided by 4/5. That's going to become 2/3 over 4/5. Okay. Then that becomes 2 over 3 by 4, or 4 by 3. Okay, and that's over 5. Okay, then that becomes 2 over 12, because 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, so we get 2 divided by 12/5. This here is 2 divided by 12/5. That's what that is here. Okay. Now if you multiply that by the reciprocal, you multiply this by the reciprocal, so you're going to get 5/12 multiplied by that. Or 5 is going to come up to the 2. Okay? So that gives us 2 by 5 over 12. That's equal to 10 over 12. Or 10/12. Or 5 over 6. Okay, 5/6. We should take these down as notes. So 2/3 divided by 4/5 is equal to 5/6. If you take both of their decimal forms. Okay? So, that equals 5/6. 5 over 6. And here if we just simply use the form, we multiply, there should have been a bar here. If we multiply by the reciprocal of that number, instead of dividing by it, we get 5 over 4, or 5/4. Okay.